Oh, great. I can hear water dripping onto my van inside. I really need to do something about that. But we haven't started it yet this season. I just put the battery back on. Looks like I've still got juice. Let's see if it starts. The starter usually free spins the first couple tries. It'd be really cool if it didn't do that. Oh! That was really cool! Teeny bit of poof of smoke out of there, I think, but yeah, hell yeah. Good. It's alive! Holy shit! What are you doing? What the fuck, dude? Holy shit! I had a bit of a leak in several places. Boo! Relax. Whoa. Huh. Well, would you look at that? It's finally completely in the bushing. But wait. I heard something pop the last time I pulled in here, and then I parked it. Wonder what that could have been. Wonder what that could have been. So that's cool. Just realizing that before I'm about to take this thing in the tail of the dragon. It'll be fine. Yeah, that doesn't sound great, does it? Let's see. Well, inner tie rod is shot. That's fine, I have new ones. That's what we're doing today. Ugh. Shouldn't be too bad of a job. We'll see. Another problem I'm going to have to deal with. The cap left. It's gone. Left. So I need to cover my wheel bearing. So once I get the tie rod assemblies installed, this will be my next concern, and really, I think that's about it. It should be fine to go down to Wookies and back. I was prepared to go to battle with this. It was pretty easy. The only issue I had was getting the split pin out. I had to go get the right tool for the job, grab a hold of it with the pair of vice grips, and really pull it out. Couldn't quite get it with the needle nose, even with the pinching and twisting technique. It was breaking off, fatiguing the pin. But yeah, that was easy. I just applied heat, smack, 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 and then I went to, again, just, use the right tool for the job. I went to employ this little guy, and I just pushed it in and it popped up, so. Smacking the knuckle with a hammer a few times, seemingly freed this after applying heat with no further effort. So I will repeat this on the other side and hope for the best. This is the worst part of this job. I've been trying to get this boot on for like 20 minutes. Okay. Also, getting the inner tie rod started when it's too stiff to pivot, because you cannot come straight in. It's an impossibility with the suspension components. So you can't just smoothly thread that. You have to get it like barely a turn in, and then straighten the rod, turn it more, pivot, turn, pivot, turn, pivot. But if you can't get it started at first, oh my God, it's not great. But I got it. I got both sides. I got them as close as I could to the old tie rod ends. When I get the wheels on, take some measurements and see how close and do my best to align it. It'd be stupid to take it and get an actual alignment because I have so many bushings I need to replace along with the ball joints. But for now, just doing the tie rods. The only thing left is getting this boot on, and I am really not having a great time. Got this one pretty much perfect. My wheel's pretty well straight. I'm okay with that, you know. Now I gotta go do the other side. All right. So I just went ahead and moved the jack stands and rope over to this side and eyeballed this, which is insane to me because, okay. Ow. Perfect. Didn't have to move anything. Sitting in a box. Was just thinking, man, this isn't the best. But no, I got it. I don't have to do anything back here. All right, well, I went for probably 20-minute drive. 195.8 is the max temperature. It has been sitting at 195.8 since I've parked here and been idling. My radiator is cold to the touch. Okay, well, the squirrels ruined this piece way too much. There's some holes in that, the old one. This is the original for the bottom of the seat, which I'm not sure is original. Maybe it was just a different kind of foam for the booty. Whatever. It exists. It has a little bit chewed out of it over there. Don't care. I just need this to be a bed. I was stuffing sleeping bags and stuff in here, but I might have a solution. I'll just have to find out the best way to cut this stuff, and if I can get the dimensions right, and out of enough of what I have up in my loft, which we're gonna go up there. But the squirrels have been living up there too, along with mice. And well, they have absolutely past my fan there. I'm trying to blow some of this hot air from up in the loft down there. It's probably like 90 plus degrees up here. But yeah, I've got a bunch of this old foam, but the squirrels have really made a mess of it, and it's all a little bit thicker than what I need. So this is going to be interesting, but I'm going to try to cut a piece out of this. I came up here again without getting measurements. I have the tape. Doesn't do me a lot of good. I got to go back down and figure this out, but I'm going to try to cut a piece out of this for the back of my seat. Okay. Where are my handles? All right. Yeah. There we go. Oh. Well, I did make time for a shakedown run, and my radiator cap was leaking. I replaced that. Had a friend pick me up one from AutoZone, and I would not have chosen that because I tried one with the little pressure release and it leaked like a sieve too. So I don't know. We'll see. So far, it's good. I've had it running for like 20 minutes. It's definitely System's pressurized. I just shut it off. No leaks, so we're good there. I was gonna adjust my brakes, but my tool situation did not really let that be a thing. I just went ahead and threw a drug rug over the half-assed sheet upholstery I did because it was kind of gross. Didn't realize how dirty it was. Got my co-pilot, and I am ready to head to Wookies in the Woods. Probably gonna leave here around 3 in the morning. Hopefully that'll put me in Fontana at a reasonable hour to hang out, get some photos and relax, and maybe get some sleep. See y'all soon.